I take. You're my world, you're every move I make. Other eyes see the stars up in the skies, but for me they shine within your eyes as the trees reach for the sun above. So my arms reach out to you for love. With your hand resting in mine, I feel a power so divine. You're my world, you are my night and day. You're my world, you're every prayer I pray. If our love ceases to be, then it's the end of my world for me. With your hand resting in mine, I feel a power so divine. You're my world, you are my night and day. You're my world, you're every prayer I pray. If our love ceases to be, then it's the end of my world, end of my world, end of my world for me.
Watching you got, when you sing, you're so captivating. I just don't want to take my eyes off you, and that's so special in a performer. For the age of 10, the power that you've got is really brilliant. Do you have singing lessons? Yeah, you can hear that you've been trained from where you place those higher notes. So keep training, because the potential that you've got in your voice, the older you get, the more the thicker it's going to get, and you're just going to be unstoppable, girl. You're only 10 years of age, and you've sung a song that a lot of adults can't sing. And I think you should be really, really proud of yourself. And that was a brilliant audition. Well done, darling.
Kelly?
Yeah, you've got this like elegant old school diva vibe, you know. You remind me a little bit of Gracie. She reminds me a bit of Gracie.
Yeah.
I thought that.
Yeah, so I'm quite excited to see what else you can do. I love the sort of the vibrato and the way that you conduct yourself. It was brilliant. It was lovely. Well done.
Lacey, I mean, I'm so proud. I haven't seen you for ages, and I'm gutted because I haven't been able to. You haven't been at the studio because of this stupid pandemic. I just want to fight the world, but no. But on a serious note, I'm so glad we've actually got to this place where you can get back into it, because even though like this has all got to be done from home, it's going to get you back into it and get you practicing and exploring in music, and that's what we want, you know. You look like you've grown since I last saw you. You look taller again now. I think that was a fab way to start. You belted the hell out of that then. I think you actually sang that slightly higher than the original. But it was good anyway, because it showed us that, whoa, there's that range. But it was fantastic. So we're going to go to a vote. All right? So, Louise?
A definite yes from me.
Yeah, 100%.
And obviously it's 100% from me, because I think you smash it. So yeah, you got 3 yeses, right? So we definitely want to see you again.